Fight.
Today, we're ripping down the drop ceiling. First, gotta cover up these floors. They're looking way too good, so we're gonna throw down some drop cloths. Got all the drop cloth down, we're all protected, ready to take down this stupid drop ceiling and find our actual living room. This is a living room we've been using, which is supposed to be the dining room, so we are hyped to be getting out of there and actually have a normal dining room again. So just have to cover this up so then we can keep living in there while we work on this, keep all the dust out. Here we go. Now starts the fun part. We actually start taking down some tiles. It's not great. Before we show you guys the drop ceiling, we're gonna cut to Nick and explain why the drop ceiling's here in the first place.
Okay. So a little bit of background on this drop ceiling. We think that the past owners probably put it up because it was less expensive to do that than to fix the plaster ceiling. We have looked at it a little bit and it's a disaster, but hopefully it's something we can take on. We'll find out. The drop ceiling is pretty cheap to put up though usually. I'll put a price like right here. Yep. Okay, so another thing that we're going to be concerned about are these layers on the wall. We have our paneling and paint and wallpaper and who knows what's behind that. That's all got to go so we can make it drywall and paint it and make it look nice.
Alright, so we ripped down some of the panels and now we can see what we're dealing with.
Here we have a hole. This hole is the hole. We're gonna have to tear this down, probably.
This is all plaster and this is the boards that the plaster connects to. So it's starting to pull apart off of it. So that's definitely not good. That's the only main spot that's happening right now. Everywhere else is just kind of deteriorated. There's a big crack right there. But
So pretty much what we're gonna have to do is scrape all that off with masks and make all this really dusty. And then we'll try to put some drywall over that.
we also found out when we ripped all this down that there's a big old beam up here. So that's sweet. We're gonna definitely expose that a lot more so that we can show it off.
1, 2, 3. But it should look pretty cool if we sand it down and stain it, make it look all pretty.
Nick just ripped down all of this lighting. He was yanking on. And the whole light fell down. He ripped down the whole light. This lighting's terrible. Because he ripped the light down. He was pulling on this thing and the whole thing collapsed.
You know, or maybe it was just poorly built. That's my theory. I didn't push that hard. Damn. So we took down the drop ceiling.
It's out.
It's out. It's out. We took it down. I mean,
we took it all the way down.
Let's move backwards.
Yeah, next video is definitely going to be ripping down the actual plaster ceiling and starting to work on putting up the drywall. We'll kind of see what we're left with. Should be an interesting process.
Yeah. If you like the video, like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys.
Thanks.
Why not? Let there be light.
Why are there two?
Keep going. Jump cut.